Hey guys, I am back in another vlog, and as you can see, I am at a park right now. I rode my bike here, and there is a drinking fountain right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a drink. That's good. So, yeah, this is the park. BMX. I've actually done a few videos in this place in the past, but not too many. Like there's like a giant, like behind me you can see like there's a giant like field. It's actually like, it's like for baseball. It's pretty cool though. And as you can see, I am just walking on a sidewalk. There's like a little sidewalk here I'm walking on. I thought about changing the blog name. Like at first it was just called Vlogs/Blogs, and then I recently just called it VBlogs. I've thought about calling it VB Logs, vlog, blog, log, something like that. Thought it was a cool idea. So nice outside. Like it was all foggy at my house this morning, and now it's like all nice. So this is the park. Now you're probably wondering where I got this shirt from. YouTube University. Well, actually, my ex-girlfriend gave it to me like 6 months ago. Just so you know, guys, I'm still not over that breakup, even though it was 5 months ago. It was on July 29th. I'm still not over it. But anyway, over there, you can see my bike. Yeah, that's my bike, the Trek. It's a pretty awesome bike. I've had it since I was like 13, I think. I've had it for like 2 or 3 years. Pretty long time. It lasted a pretty long time. So I feel like walking around because it's so nice out, man. It's really nice. Like the weather is just perfect. I'm actually at the park alone. It's so peaceful. Like just so nice. Just walking around. I could actually balance on this. Ooh, I did it. Now this park right here, this playground, it was so different. It changed a lot. I might have footage of it. So I have recorded here before with Colton Bradshaw. Good times. how about we take a ride on my bike? Get my helmet on. Still putting my helmet on. Okay, so. Oh, I bet you want to hear the bell. Now there's a code for my bike, but I'm not going to tell you what the code is, because then people could probably break into it and steal it. Okay, I'm already on it, see? Riding with one hand. Let's go this way. Look at this. No hands. Legitimately riding with no hands. Look, I'm still doing it. I have pretty good balance. You guys want to watch me turn while doing it? Because I could do that. I know how to turn on my bike without using my hands. See, look. Okay, I'm putting my hand back on now, just to be safe. And I use the bell for absolutely no reason. Lots of signs. Picked a really good day to ride my bike. And look, this thing actually has gears. So like, I can go faster. See, look, speed 8, and there's also some on the other side too. Now I'm already at the fastest speed, so let's go as fast as possible. To gain a lot of speed. Again, no hands. So Okay, so still riding. About to over here. Get ourselves a drink. So as you can see, there's a bathroom there with a drinking fountain. Okay guys, I just got a drink and I'm heading home now. So that's it for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And new videos coming soon.